Hey guys, Luke Mattaboni, BH Engineering. Exciting stuff today. Heading out to catch up with a customer, also friend in Mark Bond that we did a custom canopy build for. Just going to do a brief overview of the build that we did for him and how it's turned out. Bondy.
How you going, Luke?
Good, buddy. Good to see ya.
No worries.
How's it been?
Good, good.
Yeah?
Very happy.
I know you put some finishing touches on the canopy
I
and...
cleaned it up inside and then put carpet in there in all places.
Yep. Nice. Bit of a personal touch.
Yeah.
Looks really good. I see you've taken one of the fridges out.
Yeah, it didn't hold as much beer as I thought, so I had to remedy that.
For the viewers, like, basically, what did you bring to us and what did you ask for, essentially?
Well, it had the sides and everything on it. I asked you, what can you fit in this gap?
Yep. So essentially it was just a bare tray, really, wasn't it?
Bare tray.
Bare tray, and we took measurements off of manufacturer's tray and came up with the design, 3D modelled it, then along the way showed you what the 3D model would look like, and then if that was exactly really what you wanted.
Yeah. No, and you ran with it and then showed me what you think with a few other things.
One of the things that you wanted to try and achieve was to have something that you could take out sort of prospecting and right out bush.
I wanted all the drawer space to put stuff away, you know, like my mine lab detector and a cooker, food storage, and go away camping and staying in it and sleeping in it, and that's what I got. That's what you done, and it turned out really, really nice, I reckon.
Yeah.
It's hard, sturdy.
Yeah, there's so much storage. We tried to obviously, you know, make the drawers big enough to hold as much as they could, but then as shallow as they, you know, needed to be, so that it wasn't such a pain in the butt to get up and sleep in the unit as well.
No, that's good.
And you have slept in here, haven't you?
I have slept a couple of times, and it's bloody beautiful.
Yeah. Good to see you. You definitely got plenty of room in there.
Oh yeah, mate. Yeah, I don't need much in here.
I even laid in this when I first built this, and I had enough room, and I'm about 6'1".
Yeah.
So Bondi fits in there with ease.
It's so easy. If I get caught in rough weather, I can just jump in the back.
Yeah, it kind of gives you the ability to be spontaneous too. So if you're out and you don't want to go home, you've had a couple of beers, I'll just jump in the back.
Yeah.
Stay the night, cook myself a feed. No cracking and...
Nah,
seals,
nothing like that, mate.
Seals
Seals
well?
are good. Seals are real good. No, I've never had any water or anything inside it, so...
Yeah, awesome. We also did the exhaust system.
Yep.
And then also sorted all the electrics out in terms of, I think you supplied the batteries.
Batteries and the 2 solar panels.
And the 2 solar panels, and then we made that all fit and work on the inverters. Obviously the lighting, the DC charging system, and then just nicely tucked it away up inside. A couple of little key finishing touches that we've developed ourselves too, like one-handed drawer releasing system. It's just something to add to the niceness, really, isn't it?
It's just a one-hand operation, so it's all easy.
And that's that market that we're trying to attend to, like the sort of fully customised fabrication.
Yeah.
Plenty of storage in there. We did have 2 of these fridges in there. Oh, you brought some camembert, mate.
Yeah.
Out of pure gratitude and thanks for using us to create what you wanted to create, we thought that it would be very fitting to give you one of the Explore Life wheel bins to sit on the back of one of your spare tyres. So you'll always have a bin to put your stubbies in. Just a small token memento for saying thanks for being so awesome to deal with.
Thanks very much, mate.
Yeah, awesome. For all you viewers, I just want to cap things off here and do a shout out to obviously Bondi for coming and meeting us out here to show us around the canopy build, and also Lindsay for the prestigious location. And for all you viewers, stick with us until the next one.